All right, we're off. Another race weekend, another episode. And the best part is, look what we got back. The Sprinter is back. It looks good as new. We just smashed a deer. All right, well, what a night. Kelsey's getting to bed already. Dogs are loaded. We haven't had this van for Monday, almost 7 weeks. I hit a deer, and literally was driving home from my parents' house. My parents live like an hour and a half south of here. That's where I grew up. Driving home, literally a mile up that road, a deer decided to walk out in front of us, and I just plowed it, and it just bashed out the grill, which sucked, but it took forever to get it going. So almost 7 weeks later, we're back in it. What do you think? Do you like being back in the van?
Oh my God, his butt smells so bad.
On that note, we're off. We're heading to South Carolina, racing dual slalom this weekend. It's rainy here, so we're gonna go find some sunshine. Stay tuned. Good morning.
Good morning.
Girl's still in bed. We made it last night. Nice and fall time, rainy weather, and dual slalom practice is going. I hope you guys don't mind going on my head for some POVs, cause it's raining and I'm gonna keep my filmer in bed. See you in a bit, babe. Oh, it's been a long time since I've ridden in the rain. ODI grips doesn't only make killer grips, they make killer umbrellas too. Yeah, apparently ripped a hole in. What's up, B?
Oh, sure. All right,
how is it out there?
Welcome to the final round of the
It looks slick.
Cane Creek Dual Slalom Championship here at Pleasant Ridge Park in beautiful, sunny Greenville County, South Carolina. So you got about an hour left to get your ruts dialed in.
Oh. You good, bud?
I'm good.
Yeah.
I ate it.
Let's do it. Woo! Already mud my eyes. Oh man. So how's it work? You're hitting the button on go? Is that what it is?
I don't know how they're going to do it in the race.
Okay.
I'm just doing it for practice. So I've just been doing 3, 2, 1, go.
Gotcha.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, you can't see. This is by far the wettest, muddiest riding I've ever done. My bike was clean, and that was one lap. Oh. You look way cleaner than I do.
I almost ate it making it up there.
We did qualifying. I literally cleaned my bike before we went up there. And
Turn
now
around.
We have a full day of racing ahead, and the rain is not stopping. So. It's fun though. I need this. I never really ride in mud or anything slick like this, so it's definitely good for me and good training to be out here. So yeah, can't complain.
1, go. Go.
Come on, Logan!
Today, we are going to be very, very firm in these top ruts. So, big wheel.
Got it. Check this out. This rut is so deep, the GoPro will literally fit inside it. Look. Come on, Barry!
Yeah, that's how you do it right there. He owned that rut. I'm a moto guy.
Oh, Nobles is down. Henry is on the blue. He's got to make up some time. If he's going to make it through, the rider goes down. Stroke of luck for Matt Henderson as he makes his way down to the bottom on the blue course. Is that Barry Nobles? It's done.
Look at this. This is what I just fell in. Oh my God.
Flying dual slalom with us today here in Pleasant Ridge.
I literally just fell in probably the nastiest section. Look at this bike. I've never been so happy to fall and be able to get the hell out of here. Jared's place tomorrow, and hopefully it's dry, but that was a good time. See you guys tomorrow. Rise and shine.
I'm so tired.
So we made it. We just got out here we're in Jasper, Georgia, at Jared's place. We're just at the top of the iceberg right now. There's a double up there. You come around, there's a boner drop right here. There's a big like 7-foot kicker right here. So that there's 2 up there. You got this drop. This is a new one. So you come here, you wrap around, there's a drop right here, and apparently like up the hill, there's like 5 different downhill runs, and so he's just got 20 acres, slowly filling the place up.
Hey.
You warm?
No.
Everything dried up from yesterday. All right, dudes, what are you guys eyeing up?
We're in the drop.
Right there.
How do you feel about it?
I think it looks easy. I'm just a little bit scared about the speed because
Yeah.
it's big.
Let's see it, boys.
Ready?
Yeah, there it is. Did that easy. How'd it feel?
Felt pretty good.
Yeah.
Just pretty close to casing it.
Oh. No, that was just a perfect landing is what that was.
Actually.
All right, Jared, you gonna do the honors of the first lap for me?
Yeah, dog. All right.
Let's get it.
Okay, let's hit it. Oh.
Oh, I need a little more speed on that one. Steady down. That's a big one. Ooh, oh.
That's so much.
Oh, nice.
That's so much.
That's sick.
Normally, you know, we just jump that little gap and go right up. But
Normally it runs pretty fast, huh?
yeah, we had an enormous amount of rain.
Nice. Good to go?
Yep, let's get it. Oh, shit.
You alright?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Are you all right?
You alright? Holy shit, that was so much longer than I expected.
Are you okay?
I landed and looked up like, oh, that looks pretty short.
I can't believe you're all right. I got that on film. That was sick.
Holy
I don't know how I missed you.
I was about to hit it.
Visually, I just thought it looked short and I bogged and Dude, I'm getting a sketchy rider award today for sure.
That thing. And there goes the 12-year-old.
It's a flap.
And And I was like, well, I'll just do it anyway. And then sure enough, bang.
That's exactly what I landed, but oh, there's a double. I'm gonna hit that, and just,
You all good?
it literally couldn't have been any smoother somehow. Like my front wheel landed just above the log, and I sunk in, and I flipped over, and it was just like,
Dude, I was so surprised. Like, I was surprised Ray was hitting it because it's soggy when you land.
dude, it's so. We're like 30 minutes in, already earned the sketchiest rider award. That's for sure.
I'm just glad everyone's in one piece right now.
Dude, this bike is taking a beating. Holy shit. First weekend on this bike, racing mud all day yesterday, and I'm just 50-50 to the sprocket, and I'm just nose case straight over the handlebars.
All right, riders.
This is good. Yeah, bud. So we're on this line. I haven't done this one yet. I'm gonna do that one. Can I drop in right here and hit that step down?
If you're in the double, just take a pedal. You're good.
Just land the step down, take a pedal. It doesn't feel boggy.
No, and aim left at the step down because it kind of goes left, you know.
Aim left on. Okay, cool. Oh. Oh, that was good. Yeah, that's not very soft, so. Okay. Okay, we're good. Now let's flip it. Get the flip over with. Oh, we got e-bike wheelies coming. Yeah, behind you. Yeah. I appreciate it.
That was
Thanks.
fun.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, dude.
Thanks.
Sick.
Place is sick. This is one of the places I'm so stoked to live back in the South. It'll only be a few hours. We got this place growing. We got my place coming along. We got Atlanta trails in North Alabama. Cycling is growing all over the South. Let's get it. Oh. Oh, you haven't done it yet?
Not today. It's been a while since I've done it.
How you feeling about it?
It's not that bad.
Yeah. Oh, deep. That is a wrap. My first day at Jared's place, way better than I expected. Everything's built so good and safe. It's pretty awesome. We were riding anywhere from hardtails, slow bikes, trail bikes, e-bikes. We're all out here ripping today, and it's all thanks to this guy right here.
What up?
Thanks for having us out.
Oh, dude, it's so fun.
Dude,
I'm so glad you came.
these guys have put in so much work. They've had, yeah, how long you had this place? 2 years?
3 technically, but we've been kind of building as I can, you know, when I can for 2 years. But this winter, I'm gonna be building a bunch. So
That's
yeah,
sick.
Finally. But yeah, I'm so glad you came out, man.
Yeah, dude,
Had a great
stoked to
time.
be here. So we got a rad spot in North Georgia. My spot's coming along in Central Alabama. I think before long we're gonna be having a backyard series out here.
We need a backyard series. Also, by the way, anybody watching this, I don't normally drink. It's just happened to be laying around. But you know,
take what you can get
I'm
sometimes.
an American, so I'm just gonna drink it.
So if you know anybody else with a rad backyard like this down here in the South, let us know. Tag them below. I just got so much inspiration out of being here at this that I'm gonna take to my yard, and I can't wait to come back and see what these guys put together.
Hey,
when,
we got inspiration watching you hit stuff literally first run. Like,
yeah. As rad as this place is, I was so excited, and I got the Goon Award within the first 20 minutes of being here, coming up short, thinking I was going way faster, but yeah, I couldn't be more stoked on how today went, and until next time, thanks for watching, guys.